Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the very first position, languages and input, and let's choose languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, simply tap on add a language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example, maybe this one. Simply tap on the one you want to use. Let's choose the region if you've got some options to choose from. And as you can see, the chosen language has been successfully applied to our list. Now, in order to set it as a main language, simply tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the whole menu, the whole system has been changed to the language you just chose. Now let me show you how to get back to English. Simply tap on languages again, hold, tap on the English, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it has been also immediately changed. In order to remove some languages, simply tap on this three dots icon right here, click on remove. Let's tap on the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Click on OK, and as you can see, it has been successfully deleted. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.